Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to add the WhatsApp button on Shopify store. So you can add the WhatsApp button on Shopify in two easy ways: using an app, that's the best, or adding a simple code button that's free, right? So actually guys, you can go by using the WhatsApp app, and that's the easiest. Okay, so we all need to go to the Shopify app store, and to get to it you will need to go to the settings on the left hand menu here, and then just go with the apps option. Okay, and now go with the Shopify app store and look for the WhatsApp button, right? So here you can go with this one because it's built for Shopify, and you can read right here WhatsApp button for chats or phone call, button for calls. Okay, so just go ahead and install here, and then just confirm the installation. Okay, so install again at the bottom right, and now just select the WhatsApp or the phone call and go with continue. Enter your WhatsApp number with the country code and choose the button position right. Then if you want to add the bottom right or the bottom left, so the bottom right is the common, and then just set the welcome message and enable the pop-up or floating icon. Then just save it and it will appear instantly on your store. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.